I have already installed the Ubuntu 12.4 server, which is I'm using right now. Close that. I'm not going to be adding any user accounts or groups or security to this installation because it's strictly going to be deployed as a test scenario for possible applications that I might want to install on a real server sometime or another. But the only applications that I will be installing are probably going to be the ones that I might find on a real server. And the only one that kind of comes to mind right now is LAMP, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL. The P can stand for 3 different things: PHP, Perl, or Python. I'm going to go with PHP. So, right now I'm just going to do some updates as sudo apt-get update. Type in my password. Let that run. See if there's any updates that needs to be done. Okay. Now I'm going to install the Apache, which I'm going to use sudo apt-get install Apache 2. It's asking, do I want to continue? Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to install MySQL. So I'm going to do the same type of command, but instead of Apache 2, it's going to be MySQL. So it's sudo apt-get install MySQL. I think it's a -server, if I'm not mistaken. And at some point, it's going to ask for a password for it. Do I want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. that finish installing. Okay, here it's asking for the password. And it wants you to repeat it. And finish let it loading or installing with the rest of it. Okay, now that that's done, now I'm going to get PHP, which I'm going to use sudo apt get install. Let's kind of see a pattern going on here. PHP 5. Gonna install that. Do I want to continue? Yes, I do. There are other applications that I could eventually install on it, but for right now, I'm just going to be doing LAMP, since I know how to install that. Finish letting that installing. Okay, and I am done. Clear that. And now LAMP is installed on my server.